Nuremberg in here, y'all. She done spelled it out for you. German. Okay. Ooh, y'all don't know about them Germans either, boy. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Yeah, that was a gap.
That was a name.
That was a gap. It look like a gap to me. Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Oh, you is? Look, oh yeah, damn, he is on there, y'all. He already on there. Okay, I thought he wasn't on there, boy. He on there like swimwear. Yeah, y'all get on there, old Nuremberg, y'all. Anybody over there paying that $26.99, y'all let me know what's going on over there. See if I need to go over there. Who done brought this damn Malibu with the sunroof? He got 10 in that motherfucker. He don't want nobody. Oh, that's you. I got a radio for sale. Oh, there's one in there. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna see what you're working with. Hey. Gotta get my car from the car. Hey, goddamn, it's far. Attention in the pits. You got about 15 minutes before you gotta see some real fast cars. We're gonna go over here and show you guys. Look out, hey. Not much, man. I'm about to go over here and get these business cards. Show these people something. Y'all see, he got some extra horsepower. Oh, that's my boy, y'all. Look out, y'all. I'm finna go get some cards, man. I'll be back. Let me see some. Savage ass Mike in here. What's up, Tyler Sterling? We got Tyler Sterling in here. Let me show y'all I got that goddamn me. Hey, see? Let me see. Let's see what my cards are. I hope I got some cards. I might got some cards. I think I had some cards in my. Look out. There might be some over there. Yeah. Did you see the video talking about 434 dispatch? Nuh-uh. He got a video talking about 434. Oh, that's all good. 434 dispatch. 434 dispatch. We got a report. Yeah, that's my whip, man. You ain't seen my whip, man. It's supercharged caprice. Y'all ain't seen the police car with the drag radials on it. Do I need to crank it up one time for them? Let me show y'all what I'm working with. Yeah. If y'all want to see in HD, y'all check out my my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. Got it in HD 1080p. We about to check out this supercharged police car. Let y'all hear a little rev or something. Yeah. Come on, baby. Okay. Got that Chevy modeling in the building. Got that AC blowing ice water. Yeah. Let me see. Somebody said, is it a 3800 supercharged? Hell no. 3800 supercharged. Yeah. Hey, y'all check out the YouTube channel Lookout Racing. If y'all want to see, you know, HD. If y'all don't want to help him out, y'all come over here to my YouTube channel. I don't know. I'll probably get in there. That's all I'm gonna show y'all. That was about $8 worth of gas.
That's about it.
Okay. Yeah, got the LSA in that boy. What's that? Y'all check out my live on YouTube. We trying to get y'all on my live on my YouTube channel. Got a little stroker motor. Look out. Okay. Yeah, where they at? I'm ready to get them. Where they at? Oh yeah, I'm ready, man. I done already whooped it. I'm for real. I'm locked in. I'm ready. I done already whooped them the first time. With that right there, man, I don't be needing no shakedown or nothing. It's ready to go. I'm waiting on him. Ain't no shot on it. Ain't no shot on it. Ain't no shot on it. I'm waiting on whenever he say, hey, man, my shit ready. Versus a Monte Carlo. Small block. It's an agreement. It's an agreement. The black dude out of Detroit, man. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think Brody gonna drive it. Yeah. Once in there, y'all come from TikTok to my YouTube channel, y'all let me know so I can give you a shout out. We gonna really appreciate y'all. Hey man, you know him a mechanic. I'll run every night. I seen him earlier talking about he gonna run your ass. Yeah, I'm gonna be ready. I don't know if they here yet though. I'm gonna get them. I don't know. They say they got a new motor over there. I want a shirt, motherfucker. Nah, okay, we can bet a shirt. That's a bet. I'll bet you that. Let me hold your camera for a minute. Okay, all right, bet. Heard no. He wants you to hold that real quick. You said that. I'm gonna bet a $100 on the You better with the other guy? Let's see. Look who got the cap. You stay on it, you might well be on it. Somebody said Nuke at Yello Belly. Yeah. Dude, tell me where it started at, man. That's just crazy. Say it again. You keep on. Where it started at. Where it started at Yello Belly, man. Shit. Yeah, we out here tonight, man, getting these cars ready for the Wheel Fest, baby. Y'all ain't gonna want to wish. Y'all ain't gonna want to miss this motherfucker. Have fun. We know we need to be at there because a lot of them motherfuckers gonna be there. I just told them 20 cars just the one shooter. I'm talking about, bro. They say your power. All right, y'all. Motherfucker say, look at Yello Belly. Tell them motherfuckers I started at Yello Belly. Yeah, hey, y'all, he started at Yello Belly, man. They don't know. I got some new people over here. They ain't seen you do number win with Silver Dollar. They don't know he been over here, y'all. He been started over here. Let me see, they still ain't doing no racing yet. So let me see, where we gonna go? Yeah, I think little dude quit, y'all. I'm finna try to go get my my YouTube link. Damn, they still up there in line, y'all. Man. Okay. I'm gonna go get my Circle of Life. I'm finna go see if the link works. I'll be right back.